Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly. So instead of a podcast episode this week, I'm gonna hit y'all with a little chit chat, get ready with me so we can do some makeup together. I've been using some different makeup products as well, so we will not be using all the same stuff like I was before. Nyla is right behind me. She is playing with her toys. Luca is asleep. Anthony is out getting his car fixed because it's always one thing after another with life, right? We're about to get a little makeup look together. I took a shower and I just used this air styler. Y'all know I did not buy the Dyson. I'm not spending $400 or $500 on a blow dryer as much as I would want. I would love to gift it to me. So gift it to me. Happy birthday. No, but I got my own little air styler from the TikTok shop because I'm addicted to the TikTok shop. I can't stop. I need to stay away from it. But I got me a little air styler. I think it was $99 because it was on sale. But girl, I came with all the attachments. Got my hair looking nice and fluffy. I don't be doing my hair every day. I usually just do like a wig on or something. But, you know, I took a shower, wanted to blow out the hair, see how it would look. And I've been loving it. Especially since I didn't have to dish out $500 for the Dyson. So, very satisfied. I know you see me poking in my eyes. I do not think I took all of my mascara off. Like, I really tried my best, but I'm so scared to put like soap in my eye. So I think I'm gonna go wash my face again. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now that my skin looks extremely irritated, let's put makeup on it. I'm gonna start with some Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've used this a couple times over the last couple of weeks because once again, I got it from TikTok. I don't think I'm using it right because I just put it on and I slap my makeup on, but I think you're supposed to like give it a second so that it gets kind of sticky, get some grip to it, and it actually holds onto your makeup. So let's do it correctly this time. How are y'all doing though? Because I know I do my little podcast videos, but I haven't really asked y'all, how are you doing? Like, let me know in the comments below. I want the tea on your life. I want to know, like, did he piss you off? Did she piss you off? Not me digging for drama. When it starts like sticking like that, I think that means it's time to use it. Ever since my friend Steven told me, but you're very mysterious. Like, I was like, hold on, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because I feel like I used to always like just share everything about my life with you guys. And he's like, no, you be moving very mysterious these days. Like, we don't ever know what the hell is going on. What am I doing? Let me pin my hair back real quick because we are about to be struggling. I don't think I'm really mysterious like that, but honestly, it's probably just because I did at one point share like every breathing moment, every shit I took online, like everything, that now it probably comes across as like, oh, she really like withholds everything. Pretty sure this foundation is like a little bit too light for my skin tone, so don't clock it, I know. And when I'm filming some of my videos with this light, I'm like, whoa, it's giving ghostly, it's giving take a vitamin. Speaking of vitamins, girl, my stomach got so fucked up. Where is it at? Right here in my trash. Girl, this fucked my stomach up so bad. I'm sick and tired of the girl. Okay, hold on, let me reverse. Don't get me wrong, TikTok has brought me some products that I love, like the foundation. This is called a really good foundation from Kimchi Chick Beauty, and I got this through TikTok. But bitch, I am not trusting none of y'all when it comes to vitamins ever again. Right now I'm taking the collagen peptide, but I want to take it for at least like a month before I say something, because ain't shit gonna happen in a week, right? Liquid morning multivitamin was supposed to change my life, make me feel so good, high energy, skin clear, all that, and girl, all it's doing is giving me digestive issues. Like, I haven't taken it now for maybe 2 days and they're gone. And so many people were trying to gaslight me saying, oh no, you have to keep taking it, like you have to keep taking it, it's okay. I don't know, honey. I don't think I should be having severe period cramps like all day throughout the day because of a multivitamin. So I will not be using that anymore. I will be sticking to my little individual vitamins and my collagen peptide powder because I will not go and get Botox again. I just remember in February when I went and they actually put me in this program where every 3 months I could just go and get touch-ups or I could try different procedures. Yeah, I can't. I feel like that was the devil. Which I feel like that was the devil trying to play with me. Trying to talk about, oh, like every 3 months we can alter your face a little bit more and more. I just have a genuine idea that after a couple of years, I will regret it. Hi. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on because mommy's tired. Ooh, what do you think? Does it look good? Thanks. And just like that, I look 10 years younger. Oh my gosh. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg, don't you embarrass me. Please, please, please. It's stuck in my head. Thank you.
Okay.
Tea, I like that color. If you're wondering what it is, this, I don't know where the cap is. This is a Marajuka Juicy Lipstick from Tarte in the color Pink Passion. Honestly, the main thing I want to talk about today, the main thing I want to bitch about, I want to talk about friends, because I kind of talked about it very briefly in a little like 50-second video on TikTok, and so many people, like, I have never gotten so many comments and so much of a response in such a quick amount of time. So clearly it's something that is to be talked about. So right now I'm gonna talk about making your friends in your late 20s and how fucking hard it is. Now I can go off a little bit because she went back to her toys. No, but like, what is going on? Like, every friend that I make either love bombs me, so like we're really talking like every single day, and then boom, I get ghosted after like a month or two. Like after hanging out a couple times, just boom, cut off. I feel like I genuinely keep having the exact same experience again and again and again with people. Either one, you don't have anything to offer them, so they stop hitting you up. Two, you stop letting them borrow money, so they stop hitting you up. But I feel like I keep having the exact same experience again and again and again, and I'm not a quitter. So I'm gonna keep trying to make friends, because I know that there are like-minded people like myself with my personality or similar interests that I could be friends with. But it's just like, dang, I keep getting love bombed. I keep having people only want to be my friends so they can trauma dump on me, and then they don't want to talk to me any other time. Or I have friends who have like the love language of gift giving, so they think they can just not talk to you for a month, and then, you know, or if you really need them, because I mean, I can go to my man for stuff, don't get me wrong, but what happens when he pisses me off? Like, baby, sometimes we need an outlet outside of our partner, right? Like, it's good to have friends. You don't want to cut off all your friends when you get too serious with someone, because like, baby, I still need that village. I still need my friends. Don't get me wrong, I got my girl Miss Kelly Sweet. She's always checking on me. She's making sure I'm good. I'm making sure she's good. Girl, when I tell you, we are both aware of postpartum depression and how it is a thing, and we need to make sure that each other are good. Like, which by the way, we actually just did an episode for her podcast, which I'll have her on mine very soon. I saw y'all talking about my mics. I know, both of those episodes were filmed within 24 hours of each other on those same little, I'm pretty sure they're somewhere around here, those little TikTok mics. Don't worry, those will not be an issue in the next episode. The powder I just put on is from Fenty Beauty. This is probably from 2017. You smiling in the back, hey? I try to hit up some people that like I used to be cool with in high school and like a little bit after high school, but like the vibe is just not there, because, and I hate when they tell me like, oh, you've changed, you're not like the same Nessa that I used to know. Like, girl, bye. I'm almost 30 years old. You haven't been around me since I was 17. How would you even remember how I was? Or you want to call me boring because I don't want to go out to a club, or I don't want to go to a house party. I have 2 kids at home, and I understand like that doesn't mean that you have to stop living. I just personally believe for myself, I have no business at a Las Vegas or even an LA house party. With the experiences I've had, like, do people not remember I was there? Or maybe people are just so desensitized that that stuff is normal now to them, and like, no, not for me, babe, not for me. I'm sure some of y'all would love for me to go to these parties, because I'll have a story time, because something always pops off, because it's bad energy. It's not somewhere you want to be. Like, it's great for entertainment, but it's not. I got 2 kids at home. I can't put myself at risk. Like, do you know how often parties get lit up? Like, I'm not gonna be caught up. Like, baby, I used to not have a reason to want to go home. Now I do. I was like, damn, why can't we just get cute, go take some pictures, get some coffee, get some food, a margarita, some champagne. Like, when me and Kelly hang out, we just go to get some dinner, get some lunch, drive around. Like, girl, even just driving around for 30 minutes without having someone pulling your hair. I think I'm coming to the conclusion that maybe I just need to have friends that understand my vibe. But like, do they all have to be mommies? Maybe, I don't know, because I feel like that's the only people that genuinely get it. But out here in Vegas, girls just move so weird, bro. Like, they move so weird. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Like, if you don't have something to offer them, bye. And girl, I'm not trying to befriend influencers, so it's like weird how people move. Like, I don't get it. Like, do you see my under eyes? This is why I cannot stop using that banana powder. I need to just go buy a new one because maybe I'm probably giving myself acne. And the number one thing that pisses me off the most is that I only talk to a handful of people and I somehow keep getting my business told to me from someone else. Like, oh, someone will DM me and be like, oh, I'm sorry you're dealing with this, or hey, I don't know if you need any advice with that. How did you know that? Because when I ask who told you that, oh, I don't, Like, how you gonna be messy, but then not tell me who's being messy by spreading my business? Like, just be even messier and tell me. I'm loving this base though. Like, this actually looks how I want it to look today. Period. The bronzer I used was the powder bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the same one I've been using. It's honestly probably the primer though, because you guys know I've never been a primer girly. I'm gonna take my little Gryffindor palette. Literally, this is a Gryffindor palette, Harry Potter. Gonna put this color all over my eyes, glitter, this reddish tone, and this brown. I could have just showed you the whole palette. I didn't have to say all that. I just want people that I can invite to like go look at dresses, like say yes to the dress. Like, you guys, I'm ready. I'm finally ready. Girl, I was a fan of Say Yes to the Dress and Bridezilla, okay? What happened to TLC? They used to have so many good shows. Like, I do like the Single Life and 90 Day Fiance, all that. Like, those are entertaining, but it's getting repetitive. It's like, I don't even talk to my own like family, so girl, it's about to be a very empty dress picking. Now Anthony's texting me saying that I'm probably gonna have to go and pick him up right now. Love that. Y'all, do not do Uber if you come to Vegas. Like, do not do Uber. I'm doing the red now. But do not do Uber, because I kid you not, if you thought it was expensive in LA, like $20 to get a couple miles down the road, hi. Oh my gosh, 5 minutes down the street, 40 bucks here. After the Nicki Minaj concert, somebody tried to charge us $75 to take us down the strip, a couple hotels. My favorite mascara of the moment is this one from Wet n Wild. This is the So Defined. Let me stop complaining, y'all. Like, what else is going on in my life? Nyla just had her dance recital this past weekend, so we had her grandparents, her great-grandma here. But yeah, everybody just left, and it was a really good time. It sucks that we don't have everybody out here. She's only 2, by the way, but Nyla was in 2 dance classes, ballet and tap, and she just had her Little Mermaid and her Trolls showcase, which was so cute. She did an amazing job. She did such a good job at the end of the dance. Like, everybody's supposed to go on the floor and pretend to sleep, but she's over here like, she's really that girl, period. Want to go to mascara versus none. Now dance is over for literally a month and we're starting right back up again. It's nice having her with like a little bit of a routine, and she gets used to, like, you know, having practice and rehearsals and all that from like a young age, which I know she's only 2. She'll be 3 next month, but I feel like you got to start them young with certain things or it just won't stick, or it's just too late. Because I know I tried to start doing dance when I was a teenager. Every single girl on Anthony's side of the family did dance, so in competition dance, and won. They're going to nationals right now. Did you know your cousin's going to nationals? Yes! I asked her to get her shoes and she brought these. Okay, let's do a little lip combo real quick. So for my lip, we're gonna be taking the e.l.f. cream lip liner, and this is in the shade, oh, it doesn't say, what was it? It was either dark cocoa or hot cocoa. I'm pretty sure it's dark cocoa though. Oh my gosh, my nose is running, y'all. Sorry if I've been sniffling in this video. I haven't been paying attention if I have or not. The bronze is not matching the pink. Oh! Okay, looks like I am out of time. Okay, let me get this boy in some clean clothes. Where's your bluey shirt? They were both supposed to be matching with the bluey sets. This boy is giving bedhead. Oh, thank you! You were so helpful, Nyla. I feel like I need a pink eyeshadow. What do you think, Luca? Do you agree? You don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put pink on my eyes just because the pink on my lip is a little too much. Why is the camera all the way up there? The eyeshadow did not eat today, but the lip did. So let's just call it a day. I wanted to hang out with y'all for just a little bit. My next video will be my conspiracy theory podcast episode, where I will be sharing with you guys 10 of the craziest conspiracies that have been blowing my mind in the last month. So stay tuned for that. I need to put clothes on. I'm in a sports bra. I feel like those vitamins working though. Okay, mommy needs real clothes and we need to leave. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. I'll see you on another video. Bye! Mwah!